before I let you go, gents, let's get your stock picks. Ricus, I'll start off with you.
It's Bidcorp, which, as you know, is basically the European food supply business. The problem in the global markets at the moment is supply chains. If you're a company that depends on a global supply chain, you've got a problem. Bidvest is not in that position because they are, what they sell is what gets manufactured in Europe, and I can't really see a trade war between European countries in itself. So they are protected from the turmoil of global trade problems. I think they are sitting at a decent valuation. I think Europe as a continent, as a whole, it probably has better growth prospects than a lot of other areas globally. So it's a company that's specifically in that geographic environment, decent valuation, and less risky than a lot of other big companies that you can go for offshore.
And Rowan, what are you hanging your hat on today?
We are going for something closer to home for our stock pick. So Super Group, I think the key attraction there, I mentioned it earlier, is that essentially 60% of the market cap is cash in terms of the proceeds that they're going to get from the disposal of SG Fleet. And that is imminent. And so you're left with the balance of the business, which is more South African-focused supply chain operations. So I guess in the short term may be impacted somewhat, but as you've seen that most commodities are excluded from tariff, so those are less impacted. Demand may drop, but I think, again, very low expectations in the what's left of the business. So you're getting it extremely cheap. It's going to be de-geared. And I think it looks like a very attractive prospect at these levels.
So Super Group and Bidcorp wants to look out for. Gents, thanks so much for joining us this afternoon. Thanks to my guests, Ricus Reeders from PSG Hole in One Ruimsig and Rowan Williams from Nitrogen Fund Managers. Do remember that Stockwatch pre-records on a Monday and Wednesday at 1 p.m. and is live at 6:30 p.m. on Tuesday and Thursday, while Stockwatch this week is live at 12:30 on Fridays. Keep that in mind when you send your questions. For now, that's all from Stockwatch this week, but do stay tuned for lots more coming up right here on Business Day TV.